Explanation. Shriram Life Sunishchit Plan Overview. This is a savings cum life insurance plan launched by Shriram Life Insurance in January 2025. It guarantees high returns and aims to provide both financial security and life insurance benefits. Key features of the plan. One type of plan. It is a non-participating individual savings plan, meaning policyholders do not share in the company's profits through bonuses. However, the plan provides guaranteed benefits. 2. High returns. Policyholders can get returns of up to 668% of the total premium paid, offering substantial savings benefits. 3. Eligibility. Age. Individuals aged 30 days to 60 years can opt for this plan. Premium. Minimum annual premium is $30,000 with flexible payment options. Half yearly, $15,500, quarterly, $8,000, monthly, $3,000. 4. Payouts and benefits. Tax-free maturity payouts, available for policy terms ranging from 10 to 40 years, up to a maximum age of 101 years. Death benefits, provides financial security to the family by offering up to 160 times the annualized premium in case of the policyholder's demise. Technical terms explained. 1. Non-participating plan, a type of insurance plan where the policyholder does not get bonuses from the insurer's profits. Instead, they receive fixed, guaranteed benefits as defined in the policy. 2. Annualized premium, the total amount of premium a policyholder pays in 1 year. For example, if $30,000 is the annual premium, the death benefit 160 times the premium could go up to $48,000. 3. Tax-free maturity payouts. The maturity benefits received at the end of the policy term are exempt from taxes under Section 1010D of the Income Tax Act, 1961, subject to conditions. 4. Life insurance coverage ensures financial security for the policyholder's family, offering a large sum in case of an unfortunate event. Hash possible exam questions. 1. Which company launched the Shriram Life Sunishchit Lab Savings Plan in January 2025? A. LIC. B. SBI Life Insurance. C. HDFC Life Insurance. D. Shriram Life Insurance. Answer D. Shriram Life Insurance 2. What is the maximum age up to which benefits under the Shriram Life Sunishchit Lab plan are available? A. 60 years. B. 80 years. C. 101 years. D. 101 years. 3. What is the maximum death benefit under the Shriram Life Sunishchit Lab plan? 100 times the annual premium. B. 120 times the annual premium. C. 150 times the annual premium. D. 160 times the annual premium. Answer D. 160 times the annual premium. 4. What is the minimum annual premium for the Shriram Life Sunishchit Lab plan? $3,000, $15,500. C. $30,000. D. $8,000. Answer C. $30,000. 5. Under which section of the Income Tax Act are the maturity payouts of the Shriram Life Sunishchit Lab plan tax-free? A. Section 80C. B. Section 24. D. Section 80D. Section D. Quick tip for exam preparation. Focus on the unique features of the plan, e.g., 668% returns, death benefits, and tax-free payouts, and understand the basic terms related to insurance policies as they are commonly tested in banking exams. Explanation. India's GDP growth likely to reach 6.7% in FY26. Crisil Ratings Limited has predicted that India's GDP growth will likely improve to 6.7% in FY26, financial year 2025-26, due to key economic factors like RBI rate cuts, lower crude oil prices, and favorable monsoon conditions. Key findings. 1. GDP growth drivers. RBI rate cuts, expected due to decreasing inflation levels. Lower crude oil prices reduces import expenses, supporting the economy. Normal monsoon contributes to higher agricultural output and rural demand. 2. Inflation trends. Headline inflation progressing towards the RBI's target of 4%. Consumer Price Index, CPI inflation, reduced from 5.5% in November to 5.2% in December 2024. Food inflation dropped from 9% to 8.4%, while non-food inflation remains stable at 3.1%. FY25 projection, CPI inflation is expected to average 4.6%. 3. Industrial growth. The Index of Industrial Production IIP grew from 3.7% October to 5.2% in November due to improved performance in investment goods and consumer durables, helped by a low base effect. 4. Agricultural growth. High reservoir levels are likely to boost rabi crop production, increasing farm incomes and rural consumption. This could ease food inflation and encourage discretionary consumption, spending on non essential goods. Technical terms explained. 1. Gross domestic product, GDP, the total monetary value of all goods and services produced within a country in a specific period. A higher GDP indicates economic growth. Consumer Price Index, CPI, a measure of inflation based on the price changes of a basket of consumer goods and services, for example, food, transportation, and healthcare. 3. Headline inflation versus core inflation. Headline inflation includes all items in the CPI, such as food and energy prices. Core inflation excludes volatile items like food and energy for a more stable measure. 4. Index of Industrial Production, IIP, a statistical indicator of industrial output across manufacturing, mining, and electricity sectors. Growth in EIP indicates industrial expansion. 5. Rabi crops. Crops sown in winter and harvested in spring, e.g., wheat and mustard. High reservoir levels during monsoon improve their production. 6. Discretionary consumption. Spending on non essential items like electronics, luxury goods, or dining out. Increased rural income boosts such spending. Possible exam questions. 1. What GDP growth rate has CRISIL projected for India in FY26? A. 5.8%, B. 6.7%, D. 6.5%. Answer B. 6.7% too. What are the key drivers of GDP growth for FY26 as per CRISIL? A. RBI rate cuts, low oil prices, and normal monsoon. B. High inflation, crude oil prices, and weak industrial growth. C. Low fiscal deficit, high exports, and food inflation. D. Agricultural subsidies, weak rupee, and RBI rate cuts. Answer A. RBI rate cuts, low oil prices, and normal monsoon 1-3. What was India's CPI inflation in December 2024 as per CRISIL's report? A. 4.5%, B. 5.2%, C. 5.5%, D. 6.1%. 4. Which sector's growth contributed to the rise in the Index of Industrial Production, IIP, in November? A. Consumer durables and investment goods. B. FMCG and agriculture. C. Steel and pharmaceuticals. D. Oil and gas. Answer A. Consumer durables and investment goods. 5. Where is the headquarters of CRISIL Ratings Limited located? A. New Delhi. B. Bengaluru. D. Hyderabad. C. Mumbai. Quick tip for exam preparation. Focus on understanding the connections between economic growth, inflation, and monetary policies. Keep track of recent economic indicators like GDP, CPI, IIP, and agricultural trends, as these are often asked in exams.